Hi, Isabel here. The topic of MCP is still making big waves. It was released last year, and for some time now, the make com MCP server. Sven has already shown you how to integrate it into Cloud Desktop, and now I've recorded a short video to show you how you can use it in ChatGPT. This has also been available for some time now. In the Make Help section, you'll find that there are two options. On the one hand, we have the option to use it in the playground and connect our Make MCP server there. And on the other hand, we can go through the OpenAI API. And I've looked at both ways for you. First, we need to create a token again, which Sven has already shown as well. You can already see here that I've just created one, which I want to use to apply it in the API. And that's actually very simple. Let me show you really quickly. Add token, MCP token. You actually don't have to enter anything there, just give it a name. I'll call it Demo MCP, click add, and now I have my token here, which I can also copy. By the way, I'll delete these afterwards so that you all can't access my tools. To make things a bit clearer, I'll just start by setting up this MCP server on the OpenAI platform. And first of all, it's important that under prompt you have Responses API selected here. Otherwise, tools which we need for MCP won't be displayed to you. So we click on the plus button, open MCP server, and add a new one. This doesn't exist as a module yet, so we'll do it manually. First of all, we need the URL. We'll get that from the make documentation. Com, this is the URL. Here, we still need to replace our zone. I know that I'm in EU second. I can just copy that out from here. Without the HTTPS MCP part, that looks good. I'll give the whole thing a name, and now I just need my API key, which I generated here. I'll just copy it again, go back to the playground, and now I'll show it briefly, remove everything that's not actually the API key. And also here at the end, you can't see it very well right now. Remove everything up to the slash. Now we can click connect, and if I entered everything correctly, it should already work. Perfect. Looks great. Now we have the option here to enable or disable tools, just like you saw with Sven. We'll just select all of them, add, and we're done. Now, if we've defined a system message, we can simply use this MCP server with our scenarios in Make, chatting, and I think that's pretty cool. As an example, I'll use the system message and we'll just try out what it gives you. It'll be faster that way. Let's see what it gives us now. And to make everything a bit more illustrative, let's just give it a try. So now I want to document an appointment I had with Erwin Kofferbaum, and I'll just ask it if it can do that. Great. Then it tells me it still needs an email address and a short note. So the email is Erwin@Kofferbaum. I hope I'm not accidentally sending emails to the wrong person now. And a note is interested in MCP and wants to learn more. And we send that off. Perfect. And now it asks if it can access the scenario, and of course we allow that. And it looks like he's done that. Let's take a look in HubSpot. For data protection reasons, I've already pulled up Erwin Kofferbaum here. You see, it didn't ask me for a name, or rather, it didn't enter the name correctly. But that could definitely be due to the configuration of the scenario. He definitely talked about ChatGPT, about Make, Com in HubSpot, and I think it's pretty cool. I see this more as a proof of concept for now, but at least we've taken a step forward. Back in the playground, I'd say that this proof of concept has already worked. So now we'll move on to the second option, namely using the OpenAI API. For that, let's take another quick look at the documentation. Under Usage with OpenAI API, you can check out the entire configuration. So I don't have to keep clicking back and forth here. I've already prepared everything in advance. Let's just click on this, and if you've checked out the OpenAI Image 1 generator or watched our video about it, this might look a bit familiar to you. We're running this on demand. Variables are coming in on the one hand, a question, and on the other, our OpenAI API key, and we're passing that on to our MCP server. How does the configuration work? I'll make it bigger. We're calling this URL. This is a post request. For authorization, we use the OpenAI API key, and we absolutely need raw JSON application. And you can basically copy this text here entirely from the Maycom documentation. Just copy it over and simply add your own zone. This part here and your API key, or rather your MCP token. Please make sure there are no extra brackets or calls anywhere. That will then lead to an error message. But if you now say here, list all available tools, that's our input at this point, then we can already start the first proof of concept. And if I run this now and enter my API key, so I'll enter it here and let it run. Then it takes a while, but perfect. It gave us an output. Status quo 200. Very good. And as always with OpenAI, we find that in data output. So here are the tools. He has access to 14 tools in the first shorts upload from Sven. So that looks very good. So we've also proven here that integrating the MCP server via OpenAI, it's a bit self-referential, but never mind, works here in Make. We can integrate COM. Have fun with it, and see you next time. Bye.